In this video, I will show you how to convert an Amazon Kindle book to PDF. First, open your browser and go to the Amazon website, then log in to your account and access your Kindle library. Download the book you want to convert to your computer. Next, install a tool like Calibre, which helps manage and convert ebooks. Once installed, open Calibre and click on Add Books to import your Kindle file. After the book is added, select it and click on Convert Books. In the output format, choose PDF, then adjust any settings if needed and start the conversion. Wait for the process to finish, and once done, you can open the converted file as a PDF on your device. Keep in mind that some Kindle books are protected by DRM, which may prevent conversion unless the protection is removed. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.